Right there. Ya están conectados todos. Ahora vamos a soldarlos. Let's connect them. They're connected, all of them. Let's solder them. Let's solder these connectors. Let's solder these wires. Vamos soldando estos alambrados. Le vamos a poner flux.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician is an auto technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician 413.
Not yet, son. Not yet.
Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to a technician.
Let's
Gabriel
solder
Auto
these.
Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Estamos soldando esto. Okay. Good. Bueno, pues. Okay. We got him. Now let's slide the spring tubing. ¿Sí? Utilizando estos tubitos para sellar aquí. Okay. Now let's put some tape right here. Vamos poniéndole cinta aquí, aislante. Right there. Now this one goes connected together with this one. Right there. See? It reaches right there. Se alcanza allá abajo, mira, para que vaya abajo de esto. Ok, ahora vamos a cambiar these ones. Let's replace these ones. There are only three right here. Nada más son tres los que están aquí. Son los que vamos a quitar. There are only three. Just three of them. Nada más tres cablecillos. Let's check the colors. They're green, the blue, this blue, this blue, this red, and this green. Okay. Yep. These three only. So let's remove them from here and then from here. Vamos a sacarlos de aquí y de acá. The same way we remove the other ones, I'm gonna remove these ones, okay? Let's push this red safety thing. Now let's push this one out of here. This black plastic, it's got the tab right here that it needs to be pushed down. Let me push this one right here. Este nada más tiene unos seguritos en las esquinas. Oh, salió de volada. Okay, let's remove this one. Right there. We don't need to take it off. Now let's pull this one, the blue one. Vamos a jalar ahora este. El azul. Let's pull the tab that secures the terminal. Right there. Right there. Okay, pull it out. This is one. Now the red and the green. No. Well, it's brown and red. Yeah. The green. That's the second row. Green and the brown. Right there. Okay, we got him. Let's pull him out. That's it. Now let's pull this one the same way that we put this one right here. Let me pull this one. Vamos a jalar este de aquí. Jalarlo. Y vamos a empujar los 4 esquinas estas para sacar este. Right there. Right there. You see? Right there. Okay. Right there. Now let me pull the blue one. Jalando el azul de una vez. Pull it out. Right there. Now push the other one. Push this one so we don't lose track of it. Now let's push the green or the red. The brown with red. Vamos a jalar el rojo. Ahí está. Ahora lo vamos a poner para no perder el lugar next to the green. Okay. Now the green. Jalando el verde ahora. Right there. We got it out. Let's put this one right there. Now let's pass it through this one. That's to here. This one. Okay, now we got the 3 wires in. Let's push this one. Vamos a empujar este. Right there, and this to secure the tabs. Okay.
They will service your heating and AC.
Now let's connect them. Vamos a conectarlos aquí.
Auto Technician in 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Third Field Technician here from Auto Technician.
Right
Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
See? Let's cut these ones too. Right there. All right. Now let's solder them. Vamos a soldarlos. Let's put them together. Let's strip. Vamos a pelarlos. Vamos a desnudarlos. Bien. We need to finish this truck already. Takes a little bit of time to find the problem. Not so much, but I got another jobs, and sometimes there's so many work that you can make it. That's what happens. That's what happens. Right there. Okay. Now let's connect it right here. Conectándolo aquí. Muy bien. The only thing is this wire. I don't know where this one goes. Connected. Oh, I need the shrink tubing. Let's put the tubing right. Let's slide this tubing right here. Right here, right here. Vamos a poner este aquí, este aquí, este aquí. Conectar el verde, el azul, el rojo, red, green, and blue. Right there. We're finishing. We need to connect this one Ok. Let's solder it. Vamos soldándolo, ok. Let's solder this one. Okay. Right there. We're good. Ahí está listo. Vamos a correr este. Así. Así. Eso. One time I fixed a lady brought me a van. It was a motorhome, and the driver window doesn't work at all. Nothing. The locks, the window, nothing electrical on the door. So I found the wires, all the wires right here on this part that connects the door with the body. They were all chewed. All the wires chewed. So I fix it. I connect all the wires together. I put extensions on that one. I put extensions and I fix it. This one is okay. And then she calls me in 8 days. She calls me again that the door wasn't working, and all the wires were again. The rat ate the wires. Me llamó una vez vino una señora con una van, una motorhome, una casa rodante. Vino y me habló y me dijo que no trabajaba la ventana de su puerta del chofer. Y encontré los cables así como estos, aquí en la puerta, donde se une la puerta. Estaban todos mordidos de rata, todos comidos. Entonces lo arreglé, pero a los 8 días volvió a regresar que no trabajaba su ventana otra vez, y se la chequé y otra vez las ratas se la habían comido. So the rats ate the wires again. Sí, las ratas se comieron los cables. Otra vez. Oh, I got a chewed one right here. I'm gonna put that liquid tape. Two wires. This one and this one. But this one it goes nowhere. Even this one it's a ground only. It's black. So maybe it's supposed to go to ground. Yo creo que ese nada más es tierra. Aquí también están. No, aquí no. Okay, I'm gonna put some liquid tape right here on this one and on this one. There are two wires. They have been. I like the flavor, I think. I couldn't find my liquid tape. I don't know where is it. I'm gonna put this tape. No sé dónde quedó mi tape, mi tape líquido. Mi cinta, bueno, es como pintura. Le echas y se hace plástico cuando se seca. Okay, so I'm gonna put this kind of tape. I'm gonna lose too much time to keep looking for that tape. I need to finish this truck. I need to do the tune-up. Tune-up doesn't take too long. It's only 6 spark plugs and the wiring, and that's it. Okay. Either way, this one. I don't know where this one goes connected. It's only one wire. Need to check. Necesito checar a dónde va conectado este cable, porque no le miro dónde está algún cable que vaya conectado. Cuando lo encontré no miré ni un cable que fuera este conectado. Lo miro todavía. I see no wire. Okay, let's connect these ones. We finish with this one. We just need to do these ones. That's gonna be the last. Este va a ser el último conector. Careful with this one because there are two greens. This one is green. This one is green tan. The only one is the one we replace with that doesn't come with the wires I get. With the wires for this one. Okay, let me cut, make them straight right here. Need to replace the starter too on this truck because customer wants to. Let's cut these pieces right here. How many there are? 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
Are you in need of auto repair?
Ano,
Okay,
15,
so make sure your car is running right. Then turn to a technician, give an auto technician in Laguna Heights.
Okay, let's
Gave
cut
complete auto
15
repairs and full service
pieces of
maintenance.
this
They are AC certified and in full computerized
insulation.
diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fender,
Shrinky.
brakes, including ABS,
Ese pedazos.
oil changes, and tune-up. It's
Este
auto technician is 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Search your technician, give from auto technician. Give from auto technician in Laguna Heights.
See, I've been fixing lots of cars with these problems. The rats. You don't have to live in the country or at the farm or something, or the ranch. You don't have to live there. Right here on the city, there are rats. They eat everything. Everything they can. Okay, I'll be back. I got these ones. I'll be back, okay? I'm going to strip these wires right now, and I'm going to put these butt connectors in there because right here it's a little bit cold. I'm just gonna strip these wires right now, and I'm gonna finish it tomorrow because right now I'm getting cold and it's a little bit late already. It's 5:36 Wednesday, December 16, 2020. See, so I'm just going to strip this wire so I can put tomorrow. I can put this connector right here because either way it's already late, so I'm not gonna be able to finish it. I'm gonna work on another car in there, so I got an El Camino. I need to check the misfiring. And the belts that they are squealing or squeaking. So I got plenty of work. All right. Okay, so I got the butt connectors, all of them right here. I just need to put this one on the wire, solder these ones. So I'm gonna do it. I don't want to show all those soldering things on the soldering process on the video. I'm gonna do it and I'll be back to finish it because I show you already these ones when I solder them. This one I'm not gonna show you this one, so I'll be back when I get it ready, ok. No voy a enseñarles la soldadura de estos aquí, ¿verdad? Ya cuando termine les enseño el video y para seguir, para ver si prende la camioneta, para no hacer muy largo el video, ok. So los vemos después. See you when I finish this one to see if the truck's gonna start. See if the truck starts and everything. We're gonna do the tune-up. The owner wants to do the tune-up and change the starter too. That's what he wants, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so see you then. Yeah, I'm back. I got these ones ready. I soldered them. Alright. Let's connect this one. Well, let's finish this one connected, and then we need to do the tune-up. But that's gonna be in another video, and the starter replacement is gonna be on another video. There's nothing wrong with the starter, but the customer says he wants to replace it, so I'm gonna replace it. I told him there's nothing wrong with the starter, but he said let's replace it because it's an old truck. Okay. So I'll do whatever the customer wants me to do. See? I only need to find out this connector, where it goes, this wire too. I think it's just ground. So if it's just ground, I'm gonna connect it to the ground. ¿Sí? Necesito checar ese otro cable también que viene, no sé de dónde viene porque no se mira. No encuentro otro cable. No sé si nada más traía el cable aquí, porque no tengo otra referencia. No miro nada aquí que esté, ni alguna tierra. Las tierras son estas. These are the grounds. I don't see anything like this wire goes connected. See? I don't see nothing. I see nothing here. There's the computer, but the wiring comes from the other side. See? Okay, so let's connect this one. I'm gonna put this one to here. It's broken. Works. This one in here. Now let's connect this one right there. And I need to, this one is for the lights, I think, on the back. One of these. It goes to the back. I don't know. I'm gonna check this one. Like I said, I don't know where it goes. I'm gonna put some tape on this one so I can attach this. Okay. Remove this right there. Let me put tape right here.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and full computerized diagnostics. They'll service your heating and AC, batting bills, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel
Maybe I'm
Auto
gonna
Technician
check the
on
wiring
Highway
diagram.
100 in
See
Laguna
this
Heights.
one.
Open Monday through Saturday.
What's-
Turn to your technician,
where it
Gabriel
goes.
Auto
Okay.
Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Let's see if the truck going to start. Vamos a checar si la troca va a prender. Got everything here connected. Voy a ver si la camioneta va a prender o a ver qué va a hacer. Vamos a ver si no saca humo. No, todo está conectado como debe ser. Okay, let's see if this thing it doesn't smoke. Right there. Let me connect the battery. Vamos a conectar la batería. Right here. No spark. No hace chispa. Vamos a prenderla. Okay, let's start the engine. Vamos a prenderla. As you can see, it starts right now. The problem was that wire that goes to the pump on the safety switch. That's the one that it was not passing the current to the fuel pump. That's why it shows the scanner that code. So we need to check. We checked the relay. It was okay. Was sending current to the fuel pump, but it's stopped right there because the wire was broken. So we finished with this video and with this problem, the not starting problem. This Ford F-150. This is 2003 Ford F-150. Be careful with the rats. Not all the problems are the same or the same symptoms, but maybe a different remedy. Ya terminamos con este video de esta camioneta 2003 Ford F-150 y checamos ahí el relay, ya todo estaba bien, pero no llegaba la corriente porque estaba ahí el relay, el safety switch. Ese switch de seguridad estaba roto ahí porque las ratas se lo habían comido. Ahora voy a hacer otro trabajo aquí en esta misma camioneta. El cliente quiere cambiar la marcha, la vamos a cambiar. El cliente quiere hacerle tune up, también se lo vamos a hacer. Cambiarle cables, bujías y todo eso, pero eso debe ser en otro video, ¿sí? So, muchas gracias por ver el video y ya está lista esta camioneta. No todos los problemas tienen el mismo remedio, la misma solución, ¿sí? So, esta vez era que las ratas comieron los cables, otras veces puede ser otra cosa, ¿sí? Necesitamos checar primero para estar seguros cuál es la solución. Pudiese ser la fuel pump, que muchas veces el cliente va y compra la fuel pump a la tienda y ya, ¿verdad? Lo primero que hicimos en esta para saber si era problema de gasolina era echarle aquí en donde jala el aire, ¿verdad? Echarle starting fluid o echarle carburetor cleaner, limpiador de carburadores o de ese arrancador. Si arranca el carro, entonces es un problema de la gasolina. Si no arranca, pues entonces es problema de la ignición, eléctrico, de otra cosa. Puede ser eléctrico también de la gasolina, de la bomba, ¿verdad? Como ahorita lo arreglamos. As you saw in the video, the first time we start diagnosing this problem, it's pouring some starting fluid right here or carburetor cleaner at the inlet. So that's how we know if it's some kind of a gasoline problem or ignition problem. See, spark problem. So as you saw, when we put the starting fluid, it starts, so it means that it was a gasoline problem, but it was an electrical problem because it wasn't getting in the current. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like if you like it, and if you don't like it, put a dislike. Gracias. suscríbanse a mi canal. Si les gustó, pónganle un like. Y si no les gustó, pues pónganle un no me gusta, ¿verdad? Porque pues, tampoco les voy a decir que nada más pónganle un me gusta. A lo mejor no les gustó que las ratas comieron sus cables, pues pónganle que no les gustan las ratas, ¿ok? Ahí lo vemos, muchas gracias y vámonos a hacer el otro trabajo en esta camioneta y vamos a hacer el video también, pero ese va a ser otro video, ¿ok? See you.
Gabriel Technician in Laguna Heights.